today I want to show you just a simple trick. Have you ever been there and you have reports or you have a spreadsheet? It can be a workbook with many sheets, different names, and you want to use those names as headers of each of the sheet. Maybe it is a report and you want each report to have the headers of the sheet name such that you can easily recognize, easily manage them. You may have more than 20 sheets on one workbook. We have all had those challenges, and what you do, you keep manually naming those headers. When you duplicate this, you make sure that you manually rename the header to make sure that it reflects what the sheet name is. But for this, watch this video up to the end. I'm going to show you how you can easily automate the headers to be the same as the sheet name. So if I change this sheet name as to the word sessions, it automatically changes the sheet name and the header within the worksheet. So this is green. If I change this to green 2, it automatically changes. So how do you do this? Now the first thing is we use the function in Excel that is cell function. So I will use this cell. So equals to cell. Then info type. What are we going to look for? We are going to look for the file name, because we need the file name of this file we are working with. And most of the Excel worksheets, we reference them. If you want to reference an Excel worksheet, you reference it with A1. That is always the first cell. Even when you open a workbook, you open a worksheet, it is always referenced to this first cell. So we shall do with that reference and go ahead and enter. So when you look at this, it is showing us the directory where this file exists. It exists on my OneDrive and the folders and all that. By the end of the file name, there is sessions, which is the sheet name. So what do? At the end of the sheet name, you'll see that there is a square bracket that is closing off, then it gives you the sheet name. So it means that we are going to only remain with anything after the square brackets. So how do you do that? We are going to enclose this in another function that we call text after. So text after here, comma, what is the delimiter? Open quotes. This is a close square bracket. Close the quote, close the parenthesis, and enter. It will give you the name of the sheet. So if we change this name of the sheet as August, it will automatically change to August. You can go ahead and do the formatting, but that's it. If I change this to subscribe, please subscribe to our channels. Sorry, we're supposed to change the sheet name to subscribe, and boom, it changes. Otherwise, if this video has been helpful, please leave us a thumbs up, a comment, and hit that red button such that you can receive more of these videos. And we meet you in the next video.